Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to download a YouTube video from your account on YouTube Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account with YouTube. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's wait for that to load. Let's now go to YouTube Creator Studio. We can use a shortcut on the bookmarks toolbar. There we go. Now let's make sure that we are signed into the account. Let's now go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Go to Content. And now I will download a video from my account that was uploaded yesterday. So let's go to how to download and save a YouTube custom video thumbnail. And what we can do is either go into details or go to the options menu and go to download. This will download the video directly to your machine. So there we have it. This has now been saved into the download section. We can minimize Safari for the moment, also minimize QuickTime Player. Let's now go all the way around to the dock. Go to Finder, go to Downloads, and there we have it. The video has been saved into the Downloads folder. We can now quit Finder. Let's now quit QuickTime Player. Quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.